Ever wondered how a tiny piece of plastic inside your phone connects you to the entire world? What if I told you this small chip travels through one of the most advanced and tightly secured factories on Earth? Behind sealed doors, lasers carve circuits thinner than a human hair. Gold wires finer than spider silk create connections that link billions of people worldwide. Here, your identity isn't just stored, it's encrypted into microscopic memory with extreme precision. This isn't ordinary manufacturing. This is technological magic. From raw silicon to a fully secure smart card, we're revealing a journey most people never get to see. If you enjoy discovering hidden factory processes, please subscribe to the channel. Our dream is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Your support truly matters. Now, without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video and enjoy. We start with pure silicon, the heart of every chip. See this glowing cylinder? That's a silicon ingot forming at 1400 degrees. It gets sliced into wafers thinner than paper, then polished to mirror perfection. Every speck of dust could ruin millions of chips, so clean rooms are 1,000 times cleaner than hospital operating rooms. Now the real magic begins. Photolithography. Liquid photoresis spins onto wafers, creating ultra-thin coatings. UV light exposes circuit patterns through masks. Chemicals develop these patterns, etching microscopic pathways. We're talking features 10,000 times thinner than human hair. Layer by layer, the chip grows. Next comes doping, adding specific atoms to change silicon's properties. Ion implantation shoots atoms into precise locations. Metal layers deposit, creating connections. Each wafer gets up to 100 layers. Testing probes check every single chip. Lasers then cut individual chips from the wafer with insane precision. Watch this robotic arm place chips on substrates with micron accuracy, gold wires thinner than spider silk bond connections. Encapsulation protects everything in hard resin. Meanwhile, SIM card bodies injection mold from plastic pellets. Gold contacts electroplate onto each card. That's real gold. This is where your SIM becomes unique. Machines write your ICC ID number. That's 19 digits identifying your card. Encryption keys get programmed for security. Carrier data loads for your network. Laser engraves logos and information, each step verified multiple times. Testing time. Electrical tests check every function. Frequency tests ensure perfect signals. Temperature tests from 40°C to 85°C simulate global conditions. Durability tests bend and twist cards thousands of times. Only perfect cards proceed. Defects get recycled. Automated systems load cards into trays. Security seals apply with tamper evidence. Barcodes track every card globally. Packaging happens in clean environments. Boxes prepare for worldwide shipping. Some going by air, others by sea, all reaching you within days. From factory to distribution centers worldwide. Logistics systems track every shipment. Retail stores receive fresh stock. You purchase, insert into your phone, and connected. That tiny chip now links you to global networks, enabling calls, messages, internet, everything.